How to disable restricted mode in YouTube. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can disable restricted mode in YouTube application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your YouTube application, and once you are inside the YouTube home page, you will need to click onto your profile icon at the bottom right. So once you are inside the profiles, you need to click onto the settings gear icon at the top right. Now once you are inside the YouTube settings, you will need to click onto this general settings at the first or the top. So now inside the general options, you can see this restricted mode. So in order to disable the restricted mode, as you can see it is currently enabled, simply tap this toggle and now you can see that the restricted mode has been successfully disabled. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.